welcome back to my channel. So today's video is quick and easy. I'm going to be making a chocolate crinkle cookie. It is like a brownie and just as delicious. So clearly my mind was somewhere else. I forgot to whisk my eggs before adding them. So please whisk your eggs before adding them to the mixture. Once your mixture is ready and looks like this, cover it with a plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge. I left my mixture in the fridge for about 2 hours. So you can use any size scoop that you would like so that you can achieve the size and the amount of cookies that you would like. Scoop your cookie dough and roll it in icing sugar, cover it generously, and repeat the steps for remaining dough. Once your dough is covered, place it on a baking sheet a few inches apart because this dough will spread. Now you're ready to bake. These look so good. I'm so excited. But put it in the oven at 350 and bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited. Like, these look amazing. Like, look at that perfect cookie. Like, look at it. Anyways, this is what your final product should look like. sit in the pan for a few minutes just to cool down just a tad, and then transfer to a wire rack for the final cooling. If you're looking for a delicious cookie that reminds you of a brownie, this is it. It is chewy and gooey on the inside, and there is a crisp crunchiness on the outside. That's it. It's a quick and easy video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you back here for the next one.